Hey besties, welcome back to another episode of Styling Curves. If you've never met me before, my name's Dina and I create content that is fashion and lifestyle related for curvy boss babes. So if that is something that interests you, you might want to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Today I'm going to be doing a SHEIN summer haul. In all my videos, I talk about the items and then you're also going to see them tried on. So I'll probably do a split screen and you'll get to see how I styled the items. I'll have the links for the items below the video as well as my measurements to give you an idea about fit, and I will hook you up with some tips and tricks. Quick disclaimer. You will see me on the website modeling, I think, all of these outfits on SHEIN.com as well as their app. I'm a SHEIN partner, a SHEIN gal, a SHEIN affiliate. I am also an avid SHEIN customer. I just spent, I think, $500 the other day for a haul for you guys that I'm going to be filming here shortly. And I love their stuff. So even though they gifted it to me, it does not sway how I feel. I enjoy their stuff, even if we didn't partner for different things. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into what I selected on this haul. The first thing I selected was this fabulous, okay, can we just look at this cute puff sleeve with the cuffs at the bottom? This is like a linen type fabric. It's thick enough that it's not gonna show through, but it's thin enough to be cool for summer. I love that it tucks in at the waist and it has a crop leg. Now the legs are wide and straight, so they're cut straight, really slimming looking, beautiful. The crop is gonna hit in different places depending on how tall you are. I'm like 5'5", 5'4", 5'5"-ish. So for me it was crop. If you're a lot taller than that, just remember it might be a little bit more crop on you, but always look at the measurements on their website. They're really good about putting those there so you can select the right size for you and see if the item's gonna work for you. But I love this. I think this would be amazing. The versatility of this. You literally could wear this to a wedding. You could wear it as business casual. And because it's this creamy color, you could dress it up, dress it down, depending on the accessories that you want to put with it. Or you could just wear it with a really simple look and wear it to the beach. So a ton of versatility on this piece in particular. I got this into 3X. Anybody who's been watching me knows I hate ironing. I wash and dry like everything. So I usually buy things a little bit up if they're going to be 100% cotton. And I think this one was 100% cotton. Because there's not any stretch on this, okay? So if you're ordering this, just know that. So I ordered up to a 3X because I wash and wear everything. I wash and dry everything. The next item I got was this gorgeous boho dress. Let me show you guys the print here, okay? So it's these little flowers. Now, if you don't like black and white, don't worry, because they had this, I think, in about, I want to say like 9 other colors: red, green, yellow, orange, you name it, on the website. The link will be below. From that link, you can select any color. But this boho dress, really lovely flow on this. The fabric is light. I love that the arms, so if you're one of those people who doesn't like to show their arms, this is probably going to be one for you because the length on the arm is fantastic. It covers up. Doesn't come to your elbow, but it comes down enough to give you some coverage. It has a button in the back, which is fantastic. It's very conservative on the collar. I love that it has elastic at the waist, so it gives you that tucked in look, but the bottom is super flowy. And then they did this really nice, expensive look where they did the gathering of the fabric and extra two, so see a seam here, and the gathered fabric, and the seam here for the gathered fabric for that boho look. It's very, very flowy, maxi length, perfect for summer. I dressed this up, dressed it down. You will see, and it's probably running right now as I'm talking because I'll splice in those videos. I had done the leather belt with it. I had also done a denim jacket. I had paired a hat with it. Very, very versatile. You could even wear this into winter with a heavier jacket, like a full-length jacket. A lot of good things. Again, perfect summer, wedding, date night, coffee date, school outfit, like legit, or dress it up and wear it to work. Super, super versatile piece again. The next one I picked, okay, kind of similar to that one, right? It is this beautiful floral. I think this one only comes in this color if I remember correctly. So if you can see the floral, cute, right? Okay, let me take it off the hanger. All right, the cool thing about this, you can wear it off the shoulder, up on the shoulders. You can wear it different ways. I love the stretch. The stretch goes all the way through the bust, and then it gets to the non-stretch fabric below the waist. So if you want to layer this, you can layer it. If you're having a weight fluctuation like we sometimes do during certain times of the month, this is a good piece because it gives, okay? So you can go up or down a little bit in the chest area and not have an issue, and it will still fit. You could layer it and not have a problem. You could put a long sleeve underneath here because the arm cuffs are also stretchy. And I love that because having those little cuffs have elastic in them. First of all, it doesn't cut off your circulation, which is great. They gave you a really ample amount of elastic here. In addition to that, when you wear it off the shoulder, it also holds it in place because the elastic on the bottom is going to hold it in the position on your arm as well. Another thing I thought was fantastic about this was when you get to the legs on each side, it has a slit that goes up. So when you wear it, it had this like amazing flow. So when you walk, it's like so beautiful because it flashes a little bit of leg, so it's not quite as conservative as the black and white dress. Flashes a little bit of leg. It's just beautiful summer flowy boho. I wore it with boots, but you could wear it with just about anything on the bottom. But I love the slits because of the way it looks when you walk. It just flows and you see that exposure of a little bit of skin, and it just looks super, super cute. All right, the next thing I got was these denim shorts. I made a mistake. I got these in way too big of a size. I ordered a 4X because I hate stuff that's tight, and I tend to have big drumsticks, okay? My legs and my booty are big, so I thought I would order up because I didn't want it to be tight on the waist, and instead it was super loose, and I could have just got my size, which would have been a 2X, because the stretch in this is insane. I mean, look at that. So if you're gonna order these, just remember, order your size, maybe even order a size down because they're gonna give you some room. I also wanna mention in this particular style, they gave ample torso and crotch length, okay? So not torso, crotch length, okay? So if you're the kind of person, I have a really flat stomach for being a plus size, but if you're the kind of person who holds your curves in the front, like the stomach area, this is going to be a good item for you because it's high rise and it has a lot of length there. For me, I actually had to pull it up to take the slack out, and I would have preferred to have a smaller size, but even with a smaller size, I think I still would have had some extra length, which is a common problem that I have in a lot of plus sizes, just because I tend to have a flatter stomach than most plus sizes. So they accommodate a lot for more curves in a bunch of areas, and I think that's good because it probably fits a lot more people. That denim is a staple item for your wardrobe. Okay, this piece was killer, okay? This tropical crop set is so stunning on. First of all, let me throw these pants over. The crop top. Can we look at the print? Can we appreciate this print? Now, again, we have some arm coverage, so you get good arm coverage going down. You've got the V-neck with a couple buttons. I will say, because I have a rather large chest, it fits, But as a lot of items do, if I don't tack them down in the bust area, I get a little peekaboo and I don't like that. So I did put a little safety pin here while I was wearing it to keep it closed. And it has this really cool strap to tie around your waist at the bottom. Now, if you don't like a crop top or you're not comfortable wearing a crop top, you could totally wear a coordinating color cami. So like green, yellow, red, pink, whatever. Just pick up any of the colors in there. Wear the cami underneath and still tie the tie around your waist, and it would still look really cute and amazing. And if you wanted to blend, if you're trying to camouflage and you feel uncomfortable about the stomach area, you could also pick black and camouflage. So a lot of options there. This was so beautiful on. I loved everything, but this was like stunning, just stunning. And the legs on the outfit. So you've got the cuffed elastic top on these, lots of stretch. Again, very light. This would also make a fabulous swimsuit cover up. So like if you were going to lunch at the beach, you could just wear your swimsuit underneath, peel it off, go to the beach, put it back on, go to dinner. You could wear this out, like dress it up, dress it down. I like versatility. But anyway, the waist super stretchy. And then you've got straight baggy legs, same print. This is really fantastic. The straight baggy legs are really fantastic if you want to balance out your shape. So it'll give the illusion of everything being symmetrical when you hit from the waist down. So if you're kind of curvy on the bottom like I am, you can actually look and tell how much this just straightened out and kind of gave the illusion of having less curviness, I guess I would say. Normally I'm rocking my curves big time, but I also like to play with different looks and get different styles going. So I love the straight leg on this. And the other thing is when the leg is loose, you can walk easily, you can sit easily. You don't have to worry about your pants being all tight when you sit down, especially in a light cotton fabric like this. Everything's going to be linked below the video. All right, besties, thank you so much for joining me for this episode of Styling Curves. As always, you can find me on my podcast, you can find me on my blog, and you can find me at any of the socials at Styling Curves. I'll see you next time. Mwah!